Today, I'm diving into Ecovent, a smart home climate control system designed to manage airflow and temperature in every room individually. The idea is simple. Rather than adjusting your entire HVAC system at once, Ecovent allows you to set custom temperatures for different rooms using smart vents and sensors. This promises a more comfortable home and lower energy bills. But does it actually work? Right off the bat, installation requires replacing your existing vents with Ecovent smart vents and connecting them to the central hub. It's not overly complicated, but you do need to measure your vent properly to ensure compatibility. The system pairs with an app, which provides room-by-room control and integrates with certain smart thermostats. One of its biggest selling points is that it learns from your habits, adjusting airflow to balance temperature and avoid hot or cold spots. The app interface is intuitive, showing a layout of your home and allowing you to set preferences for each room. You can create schedules or let Ecovent make automatic adjustments. However, I noticed a slight delay in responsiveness at times, and while the vents adjust quietly, they're not completely silent. If you're someone who notices small noises, this could be something to consider. Another major factor is the price. Ecovent is significantly more expensive than traditional vents or even some other smart home solutions. The cost adds up quickly if you're covering an entire house. While it can potentially save money by reducing wasted heating or cooling, it may take years to recoup the initial investment. That said, if you frequently deal with rooms that are too hot or cold despite adjusting your thermostat, Ecovent could be worth it. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One thing I appreciate is that Ecovent integrates with other smart home platforms, but compatibility is somewhat limited. It works well with Nest, but if you use a different smart thermostat, you'll need to check if it's supported. Some users have reported connectivity issues, especially with Wi-Fi interference. In my experience, the system worked fine most of the time, but I did encounter a few instances where the vents didn't respond immediately or disconnected briefly. On the positive side, when everything is working as it should, Ecovent does make a noticeable difference in home comfort. Instead of dealing with temperature imbalances, you get even airflow and the ability to customize each room to your liking. This is particularly useful for families where different members prefer different temperatures. Overall, Ecovent is an impressive concept that delivers on its promise of improved climate control, but it's not without flaws. The high price, occasional connectivity hiccups, and limited thermostat compatibility might be deal breakers for some. If you're willing to invest and want precise room-by-room temperature control, it could be a great addition to your smart home setup. Otherwise, a standard smart thermostat might be a more budget-friendly solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about Ecovent or if you have any questions.